Hi, I'm Carolyn, trichologist at Absolique Hair Health Clinic. Today's video is about our new location. So we're on the move and we're going to be offering some new services. So our main office is in Brisbane, which is Australia, and we're currently at New Farm, and we will be moving our main office over to Spring Hill. So it's probably about 8 minutes away. So it's not very far for our local Brisbane clients. A lot of you may know that we also travel to Sydney, which is North Sydney, and if you can't make it to these locations, we offer Skype, phone and email services. But for our Brisbane clients, we are going to be moving to a larger location so we can offer more total hair care and scalp care services as well. So we currently offer diagnosis with a microscope and consultation services, but we're limited in our office space to be able to further help with the total hair care that we feel you're needing, and also to get you started to correct these scalp problems. So we want to be able to do hands-on hair loss treatments to teach you what you need to do at home. We may start to correct your scalp conditions again, teaching you how to do your treatments at home to get a better results. We're going to be offering some hair repair services, so when we've got hair loss and hair thinning, it can uncover damage on the lengths of the hair, which can really be quite upsetting. So we'll be able to do some services to make it a little bit more livable. We'll also be offering some hair addition services. So we call them additions, meaning we'll regrow the hair, but we've got to wait for it to grow longer, so we may need to fill it in. So some people would use the word hair extensions, but we're not extending the length of hair, we're actually filling in. So we're trying to add back the volume whilst we're doing the hair loss treatments at the same time. We're also going to bring back something from my past, which is hair replacement. So we might have an area of hair that will have a bald patch, or I'm seeing different scarring types of alopecia, might be from surgery, or might be an area of hair thinning that is quite concerning that we might need to replace whilst we're correcting. Sometimes, as I said, we use it for services or hair loss that can't be corrected. So it's very rare, but it's a service that's very well needed, and I've worked in that a lot. So it's really been our clients that have driven us to move to a larger premises and offer these services, because I get people, with these hair loss, as their hair's falling out, tragic hair thinning, and the scalp conditions, and they can't visit a normal hair salon, or if they do, they're very embarrassed, or they don't get the service that they need, on the hair and scalp. So all of us at Team Absolique, we are background hairdressers. We're specialists in our trichology field. We'll stay holistic, so we're going to offer all these safe hairdressing services. So we will be offering hair cutting services, but this is only for our clients with the hair loss and the hair thinning and the scalp conditions. We're not doing hairstyling per se. We're making your hair look as good as it possibly can whilst you're going through this procedure. We're also going to be offering safe hair colouring services. We found this amazing product, which we'll be talking about in our next newsletter as well. As we said, our hair loss treatment lessons, the hair additions, the hair replacement, and we're bringing back our laser hair growth treatment, which is adding energy on top of our other holistic treatments. So we expect the move to come in about early spring, which is September here. So watch your emails. We'll have another newsletter, and we'll do some more videos. And drop us an email if you have any questions about our new services or our hair loss, hair thinning and scalp condition treatments. To me, it's info@absolique.com.au. Thank you.